Children, already we all are learned the lesson climate of India. Now we all are discuss about the most important question and answers from this lesson. First one is what is a climate? Tell me children, what is a climate? The average conditions of temperature, humidity, rainfall, precipitation, atmospheric pressure, togetherness is called a climate. Climate is mostly influence the human beings. Temperature, rainfall, both are mostly influenced the human livelihood. Climate are represented through climographs. Climographs represents the monthly values of maximum and minimum temperature. It is a climate. The second one is what are the factors that influence the climate? Tell me children, already we all learned factors are influence the climate. There are four factors mostly influence the climate. First one is latitude. Second one is land and water relation. Third one is relief. Fourth one is upper atmospheric circulation. These are the four factors are mostly influence the climate. Okay, to discuss one by one. First one is latitudes. Tropics are hotter than poles because the equatorial region to receive the heavy heat because the sun rays fall straightly on the surface. So, in the tropical region to receive highest amount of the temperature than poles. If you are move equator towards the poles, temperature may be decrease. If you are move polewards to equator, temperature may be decrease. That is the effects of the latitudes. Our earth may be divided into climatic zones. Tropical zone, temperature zone, polar zone, cold polar zone. Our country, India, located in a tropical zone. So here temperature average 20 degrees Celsius any part of the India. Second factor, land and water relation. Land is the good indicator of heat, good conductor of heat, while water bodies are different. Land is quickly taken the heat and it will be cool very less time. But water bodies are not quickly heated and may not be quickly. Example, Visakhapatnam and Guntur. Visakhapatnam is very nearest to sea coast. Here temperature is very low because sea breezes, warm ocean currents, to reduce the temperature nearest of the sea coast. That is the reason Visakhapatnam is very colder than Guntur. Guntur is located in the Indian part of the country. Visakhapatnam is very nearest to sea coast. So, Visakhapatnam is very colder than Guntur. Next, third factor, relief. If you are going to mountain areas, hilly areas, the temperature is very low because of the effects of altitude, the effect of relief. If you are going to 1000 meters of ascent to increase the If you are going to 1000 meters of ascent to decrease the temperature 6.4 degrees Celsius. Hill stations like Shimla, Nainital, Mussoorie, Kodaikanal, Darjeeling are very cool in summer, the effects of relief. The fourth one is upper air circulation. The climate of India affected the movement of the upper air circulation. It is also known as jet streams. The jet streams also mostly influence the climate of India. The speed of jet streams in a summer season 110 km per hour. In winter season 184 km per hour. So, in entire North India and South India, it will be mostly influenced the climate by jet streams. These are the most important factors that influence the Indian climate. Now, going to the third question, what are the important hill stations in India? The India northern boundary is the Himalayan mountains. So many hill stations are located there, like Shimla, Mussoorie, Nainital, Ranikhet, Darjeeling. These are the most important hill stations in Himalayan mountains. Especially in South India, Horsley Hills, Ooty are most important hill stations in South India. So children, tell me, what are the important hill stations in India? Shimla, Ranikhet, Nainital, Mussoorie, Darjeeling, Horsley Hills, Kodaikanal and Ooty are the most important hill stations in India. Next, what is meant by October heat? What is meant by October heat? Tell me, children, already we all learned. Owing the conditions of high temperature and humidity, the weather becomes rather than oppressive. It is also known as October heat. When completed October in India, next month November, returning monsoons entered Coromandel coast. It is in Tamil Nadu. It will give the abundant rainfall of the Coromandel coast. Next one. Indian agriculture is the gamble of the monsoon. Indian agriculture is the gamble of the monsoon. Why? Monsoon. Monsoon word derived from Mausam in Arabic language. Mausam means seasonally blowing winds. There are the two type of monsoons are mostly influenced the Indian climate. Southwest monsoons and returning monsoons. Southwest monsoons are touched in India second week of the June in Malabar coast. It is in Kerala. Kerala after Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Odisha, West Bengal, it will gradually after spreading into the winds. These monsoon winds give lot of rain our country. Returning monsoons or northeast monsoons entered in India November first week. In Coromandel coast, it is in Tamil Nadu. It is also given to the abundant rainfall in Coromandel coastal areas. And have to coming to the in India southwest monsoons. Our farmers will be started Kharif season. When returning monsoons comes to India, our farmers will be started Rabi season. So crop seasons are depend upon the in India monsoons. So Indian agriculture is the gamble of the monsoon. Do you able to understand, children? Okay. Next one. What are the traditional seasons in India? There are 6 traditional seasons in India. Tell me, children, how many traditional seasons in India? There are 6 traditional seasons in India. These are Vasanta, Greshma, Varsha, Sarad, Hemanta and Sisira. Once again, there are 6 traditional seasons in India. Vasantam, Greshma, Varsha, Sarad, Hemanta and Sisira. And Vasantam will be started the month of March and April. Greshma, May and June. Varsha season started July to August. Sarad season will be started in India September and October. Hemant season started in India November to December. And Sisira season started January and February. Each and every traditional seasons have a 2 months. How many months, children? 2 months. So these are the most important questions given in your examinations. Okay, what is the climate? What are the important factors of influence in the climate? What are the seasons in India? What is October heat? Okay, Indian agriculture is the gamble of the monsoon. Explain what are the traditional seasons in India. These are the most important questions are given in your examination point of view. Okay, children, are you able to understand? Okay, thank you very much. Watch my video. Thank you.